In this quick guide, I will show you how to download and install Spotify on Windows 10 as well as on Windows 11. So I will show you more than one easiest method to download and install Spotify on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11. So for Windows 10, just go ahead and open up any browser in your computer and in the Google just type download Spotify. Go to this first link that says www.spotify.com. So here we got two options: download from Microsoft Store and download directly from the Spotify. So let's go ahead and download directly from the Spotify website. And it started downloading. Once this exe file is downloaded, open it and it will take few minutes to download and install Spotify on your Windows 10 PC. I will mention this link in the video description. So until it's downloading, let's go to Windows 11 now and see how we could download Spotify from Microsoft Store. These both processes will work on both Windows, either you are on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So on Windows 11, you could see I have Microsoft Store here. If you don't have Microsoft Store in your taskbar, just go to search bar and type Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, we want to search for Spotify. And here you go. We got Spotify here. Click on Get. Now this will also start it downloading and installing Spotify on your Windows 11 computer. Now let's see what happened on Windows 10. It's still downloading the Spotify and it will install. Please note that there are two methods, either to download Spotify from the web or to download the Spotify from Microsoft Store. If you are not able to download and install Spotify from your Microsoft Store either on Windows 11 or Windows 10, just go to video description and click the download link that will take you to this Spotify official website. Okay, now on my Windows 10, it's installing Spotify after the successful download. And here you go. We got our Spotify downloaded and installed on our Windows 10. You have to go ahead and log in with your account or scan the QR code to get logged in. So if you are on Windows 10 or the Windows 11, you can use any of these methods to install Spotify on your laptop or computer. Go ahead and download it from Microsoft Store. If you are not able to download it from Microsoft Store, then go ahead and click the link from the video description and download it from the website. So that's it about today's quick video. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.